Hello friends, welcome on the online lecture series of composite materials. Here I am Dr. Harjit Pawar from SND College of Engineering and Research Center Yaula. Today we will be discuss the topic composite materials and also cover topics of reinforcement, fibers, natural fibers, also the advantages and limitations, synthetic fibers, its advantages and disadvantages, then a list of natural and synthetic fibers. Now turn to reinforcement. In materials science, reinforcement is a constituent of composite materials which increases the composite stiffness and tensile strength. Reinforcement materials usually add rigidity and greatly impede cracks propagation. In particular, they enforce the mechanical property of the matrix and in most of the cases which are harder, stronger, deeper than the matrix. Reinforcing constituents in composites, as the word indicates, provide the strength that makes a composite what it is, but also it serves the certain additional purposes of the heat resistance or conduction resistance to corrosion and provide rigidity. Generally, reinforcement is used to withstand maximum load and serve the desirable properties. Reinforcement can be made to perform all or one of these functions as the requirements. Now, next is the fibers. Reinforcement fibers may be false and also called categories into types. One is the natural fibers, another is the synthetic fibers. Now, natural fibers. Natural fibers are the fibers that are obtained from plants, animals, or minerals sources. Some examples are cotton, silk, wool, etc. Some of the natural fibers are shown here, but in the natural fibers, the various flakes over cotton, jute, plants are considered. See the figure. Figure shows lupaz, palm, jute, banana, rice husk, quinep, chicken feathers, cotton, coir, sisal, flax, abaca, hemp, and rami. Now turn to the various advantages of the natural fibers. There are renewable resources, also the lower production cost. These fibers having the production cost is low as compared to other. Then good specific mechanical properties, lower density of composites, reduce energy consumption during the manufacturing, means save the energy. Then biodegradations, then eco-friendly materials, lower risk to human health. These are the various advantages of the natural fiber. Now, the limitations of the natural fibers are which is lower thermal resistance, then dimensional instability, restricted processing temperatures, inhomogeneous structures of the fibers, then negative consequence of water absorption, then sustainability to microbial attract and rotting. Now turn to second types, which is synthetic fibers. These fibers are man-made. Most of these made from the raw materials. See, if the raw material is petroleum, then it is called petroleum, then it is called as the petrochemicals, right? Then they consist of small units or a polymer which made from many repeating units known as the monomers. They include nylon, acrylics, polyethylene or polypropylene. Millions of the tons of these fibers are produced all over the world each year. Some synthetic fibers are shown in the figure. First one is a carbon, second is a basalt, glass, Kevlar. These are the various synthetic fibers figures. Advantages of these fibers. First is a which is stretchable, which is waterproofing, moisture resistant, non biodegradability, long lasting, readily pick up to various dyes. Next one is the disadvantages of the synthetic fibers. One is the flammable, it is a disadvantages. It is easily flammable. Then the next is a non-eco-friendly, poor insulation capacity, prone to heat damage. These are the disadvantages of this synthetic fiber. Now turn to the list of various natural and synthetic fibers. See here, the graph shows the various types. Fibers, there are two types, synthetic, natural. Natural fibers having animal, cellulose and minerals. Animals having three types, silk, wool, hair. It gives the silk, wool, hair. And cellulose having various types, bast, leaf, seed, fruit, wood, stalk, green or reeds. Minerals are asbestos. In the cellulose, in the blast, there are various jute, hemp, flax, leaf, sisal, banana, abaca, paps. Then seeds, cotton, milkwood, fruits, oil palm, coir, wood में softwood, hardwood, stock, rice, wheat, barley, oat, rhea. Then in the grass, bamboo, bacassi, corn, sabai, rap, canary. Then next one is a synthetic fiber. There are two types, organic fiber and inorganic fibers. The organic is furtherly classified into aromatic, polyethylene, aromatic polyester, in inorganic, which is glass, carbon, boron, silica carbides. In this way, in this topic, we will be discuss the various fibers, natural, synthetic, then reinforcement, which is very important in the composite material study. Thank you, friends.